I'm from AOV first of all, AOV International Enterprises, and we do cleaning and maintenance. We do the interior and the exterior, and we happen to be the experts of the exterior people, the ones you see hanging on those skyscrapers, the few skyscrapers in town. So we take the risk of keeping them clean and giving them the reputation that they deserve. That is on the part of our clients and their clients, of course. To have someone hang, for our case we use spiders. Those are the ropes. We have the safety rope and the working rope. So it takes basically 3 months. But of course it goes more than that for someone to feel safe outside the 20-story building. So we have 20 days of training, because those two ropes, they have a descender and a grabber on the safety rope and on the descending rope or the working rope. So the 20 days, they are training on, let's say, on one-story building. So they are working to have their entire body system married or intermarried to the machines, where they feel that they are safe. And for example, if one wants to move a centimeter down, he doesn't need to look at the machines. He grabs the descender and he moves a centimeter or wherever he wants to move. If he wants to move from the ground floor, from the 10th floor to the 9th floor, he knows even the entire calculation is within his body system. So that is the first training, the first 20 days, for him to be part and parcel of the machines and the ropes. Then after that, we have calculating the distance. Then tying the knots. Those ropes have different knots of tying, making sure that someone is safe. Then we have the cleaning itself. After a month and a half, they're ready. Right from there, they already know how to use the two systems, the grabber or the working rope and the safety rope. Then from there, they have the cleaning itself. If someone has never or had never cleaned, you have to teach him different types of cleaning. We have marble, we have glass, we have cladding. So they've got to know these two different, because like marble, we have different types of marble, and they have different reactions to different chemicals. For the client who is out there, you know, a building, like I mentioned, it needs to be maintained. We have a regular cleaning, which is we recommend every 3 months. Then if someone really financially is not stable, he could do it for 3 months, or he could do it 4. But some people do it once in a year. But like I mentioned, the building is made of glass and cladding, most probably. Then it's made of marble sometimes. So for the glass, if it takes in the dust, it doesn't live long. At some point it will shatter, it will take in the dust, which will be part of the glass itself. By the time you think of cleaning, it won't go off. And you would need a lot of money to overhaul the face of the building. Then for the cladding, still, if it takes in dust, it changes color. Its original color changes, and still it weakens. So still it will require a lot of money to overhaul the whole building's face, putting different or the same cladding. Then when it goes to marble, marble has moss that grows onto it, even stone. Those buildings that have finishing that have stone. So you better do regular exterior cleaning, which is key to the face of the building, its longevity, and its, you know, the outlook. Facade has to be cleaned regularly, you know, because, you know, renting here in Kampala, it's expensive. For someone to rent your business, to rent into your building, it has to be worthy